Thank you for your time, Professor Bernhardt, for World Federation Neurology. Tell us about what's happening in the very early rehabilitation in stroke world.
Thanks very much. The main thing that's happening is that we're still trying to help people come up with clear clinical practice guidelines for this early intervention period. And as you know, it's not that straightforward. The major international trial, a very early rehab trial, AVERT, found that when we give too much too soon to some patients, that it's harmful rather than helpful. This has led us to do a lot of research, delving into our data and understanding that there are particular subtypes of patients who seem to cope well with this intervention and others that do not. And it's led us to develop a final trial called AVERT Dose, which is determining the optimal intervention. It does look like we have a U-shaped curve in terms of intervention intensity. If we do too little, it's not helpful. If we do too much, it's not helpful. So there is a period in the middle that looks like the right kind of intervention. So in AVERT Dose, we'll be running the study over the next 5 years. This trial will look at patients particularly with moderate and mild stroke. So the severe stroke cohort will be excluded in this study. And we'll be testing 4 different interventions in each of these strata. And using an adaptive trial design, we hope to be able to narrow it down and develop guidelines for people about the optimal intervention for these patients. So watch this space.
I saw that your Meet the Professor program this morning was sell out and everybody wanted to know how early, how much.
That's right.
So your answer is watch the space wait for AVERT Dose trial.
Yes, I think it's such a complex area, and I think, as you indeed pointed out, we really need to understand more about this time period, about the individuals within our studies. And one of the things that we will be doing in AVERT Dose is we'll be carefully characterising our patients so that we can look at this in a lot of detail. So I'm very hopeful that we'll get there and finally have some helpful clinical practice guidelines into the future.
Again, congratulations on the grand success, and we look forward to see what AVERT Dose tell us, hopefully knowing more about brain biology and fixing this for once and for all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.